We will study adjoint of A. Adjoint of A એટલે કે સહ અવયવ જ શ્રેણી. Okay. For example, I am taking A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2. How to find out adjoint of A? For this, first of all, we just find out this cofactor of each element. Here we are taking cofactor of Aij is Aij. એટલે કે દરેકે દરેક ઘટક Aij ના સહ અવયવને કેપિટલ Aij વડે દર્શાવે. પહેલો ઘટક A11 બરાબર 1 માટે A11 is equal to, here it is, first sign is plus. We have already studied in determinant. We just remove first row, first column and remaining entries in determinant. -1, -3, 0, -2. So we are getting this 2 minus 0, so 2. A12 is equal to 2. A12, second element is negative. Otherwise, we can say this -1 raised to 1 plus 2. Finally, it is negative. So here it is. We just remove first row, second column, remaining entries in the determinant. That is why it will give -8 minus 27. So it is -8 plus 27. Final answer is, it will be -19. A13, that is equal to 1. A13, this one is plus. We just remove first row and third column, remaining 8 entries. 4 minus 1, 9, 0. So it will be 0 minus -9. Finally, it is 9. A21, that is 4. A21, this element will be negative. Here it is, we just remove આપણે પહેલો સ્તંભ અને બીજી હાર એને દૂર કરીએ છીએ. વધારાની જે એન્ટ્રીઝ બચે છે એને નિશ્ચાયકમાં મૂકીએ છીએ અને જે મળે છે એ આપણો ફાઇનલ આન્સર 2. That will be -1. A22, this sign will be positive. We just remove second row and second column, remaining entries in the determinant. 1, 1, 9, -2. So it is -2 minus 9 minus 11. Next one, A23 is equal to -3. A23 final sign that is negative. We just remove આપણે ત્રીજો સ્તંભ અને બીજા હાર એને રિમૂવ કરીએ છીએ. બાકીની જે એન્ટ્રી વધે છે એને નિશ્ચાયકમાં લેતા 1290 is equal to 0 minus 18. Final answer 18. A31, that is 9. A31, finally its sign is plus. Here we remove first column, third row, remaining entries. 2, 1, -1, -3. That is what? -6 minus -1, -5. A32, that is C. A32, sign is negative. We just remove આપણે ત્રીજી હાર અને બીજા સ્તંભને દૂર કરતા વધેલી એન્ટ્રી 114 -3 minus -3 -4, final answer 7. A33 -2. A33 final sign is positive. આપણે ત્રીજી હાર અને ત્રીજા સ્તંભને દૂર કરતા વધેલી એન્ટ્રી 1 2 4 -1, -1 -8 -9. Here adjoint of A, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. We just put the values here. Here it is 2. This one is A12 minus 19. Then it is 9. Then 4 minus 11, 18. Then minus 5, 7, minus 9. This is our adjoint of A. સહ અવયવજ શ્રેણી. ફરી આપણે જોઈ લઈએ. કોઈ પણ શ્રેણિકનો adjoint of A શોધવો એટલે શ્રેણિકના દરેકે દરેક ઘટકના સૌપ્રથમ સહ અવયવ શોધવો. ત્યાર પછી જે શ્રેણિકની રચના થાય એનો ટ્રાન્સપોઝ લેવો, પરિવર્તન. બરાબર? It means how to find out adjoint of A. It means first of all we just find out all the cofactors of all the entries of A. Then we just take transpose of that matrix and we are getting adjoint of A. I think you finally understood this process of adjoint of A. Inverse of the matrix. આજે આપણે શીખવું છે કે વ્યસ્ત શ્રેણી કેવી રીતે શોધવી. It is not necessary there to find out inverse of every matrix. It may be and or may not be. Here, if determinant A is not equal to 0, then only A inverse exists. So there is a condition to find out inverse. First of all, we have to check that determinant of A is 0 or not. If it is 0, then we are not able to find out inverse. If it is not equal to 0, then only A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A adjoint of A. In this way we are having the formula. I am taking one example. A is equal to 1 to 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. First of all, so pratham મારે ચેક કરવું પડશે determinant of A, or it is written in this way 1 0 2, 2 minus 1 minus 2, 1 1 C, 1 into 0 minus minus 2 plus 0 into something, so no need to take that element, plus 2 into 2 minus minus 1. So this one is 2 plus 2 into 3. So it is 8, not equal to 0. That is why A inverse exists. Now we have to find out adjoint of A. Previously we have studied how to find out adjoint of A. Here further I am trying to find out adjoint. First sign is positive. A11, that will be પેલી હાર અને પેલા સ્તંભને દૂર કરતા -1 -2 1 0, that is why 0 minus minus 2, finally it is 2. A12, that is first row second column we just remove, and this one sign is negative, that is why 2 minus 2 1 0, that is why 0 0 minus minus 2, that is plus 2. A13, final sign is positive. Here it is, we just remove first row and third column. 2 minus 1 1 1, that is why 2 minus minus 1, final answer is 3. Here it is negative sign. આપણે બીજી હાર અને પેલા સ્તંભને દૂર કરતા 0 2 1 0, that is why 0 minus 2, so it is plus 2. A2, sign is positive. બીજી હાર અને બીજા સ્તંભને દૂર કરતા 1 2 1 0, so 0 minus 2, finally minus 2. A 2, 3 negative, we just remove third column and second row, so 1 0 1 1, so minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. A 3 1, final sign is positive, we just remove third row first column, so 0 2 minus 1 minus 2, so it is 0 minus minus 2, so plus 2. A 3 2 negative, third row second column, ત્રીજી હાર અને બીજો સ્તંભ દૂર કરતા 1 2 2 minus 2, so minus minus 2 minus 4, answer is 6. A 3 3, finally it is plus, third row third column, we just remove, so 1 0 2 minus 1, 1 0 2 minus 1, so minus 1 minus 0, it is minus 1. Now we have found all the cofactors of the elements. Then A inverse 1 upon determinant A, adjoint of A, that is 1 upon 8. We have to write down transpose of these entries, that is what? This one is 2 2 3. Then it is 2 minus 2 minus 1. Then it is 2 6 minus 1. So this one is A inverse. We just divide each element by 8. So 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4, 3 by 4. 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8. This is our A inverse. So we have studied how to find out inverse of the matrix. અહીં આપણે કોઈ પણ શ્રેણિક જો એનો ડિટર્મિનન્ટ શૂન્યેતર હોય તો વ્યસ્ત શ્રેણિક કેવી રીતે શોધવો એ આપણે શીખ્યા. થેન્ક યુ.